30 days ago, I was flat broke. No fancy tech job, no secret connections, and not a single penny earned from AI. Fast forward to today, and I'm making $500 a day, every day, with nothing but a laptop and a simple system that anyone can copy. This isn't some overnight success fairy tale. In the next 5 minutes, I'll show you the exact steps I followed and reveal the blueprint you can use to build real, lasting income. No hype, no burnout, and zero fluff. If you're tired of clickbait and want the real playbook, stay tuned. Let's get honest. Most people chasing AI income fail hard. Why? Because they're obsessed with trends and ignore what actually matters. Solving real problems for real people. I watched countless AI hustle videos, but none told me how to find paying customers or what tools to use. So I flipped the script. Instead of building flashy apps or chasing viral ideas, I hunted for a market with a genuine pain point. A group of people desperate for a solution, not just a cool gadget. No massive social following, no expensive website. Just a clear offer that fixed a real issue, powered by tools anyone can access. That's the difference between a side hustle that fizzles and a system that pays you daily. Forget endless brainstorming or building in a vacuum. I spent just 2 hours lurking in online groups on Reddit, Facebook, small business forums, reading what business owners were actually complaining about. The same problem jumped out again and again. Writing product descriptions is a nightmare. That was my green light. I didn't waste time overthinking. I set up a one-page site with the headline, AI-generated product descriptions $5 each delivered in 24 hours. I posted a simple message in 3 groups. Anyone here hate writing product descriptions? I've built a solution. Within 24 hours, 3 people paid me. My total setup cost? $10 for a card landing page and a domain? Lesson, don't guess. The market tell you what it wants and move fast. With real customers in the door, speed became my superpower. I mapped out a workflow. 1. Customer fills out a Google form with their product details. 2. ChatGPT generates 3 unique descriptions per order. 3. Results are sent straight to their inbox automatically. I used Zapier to connect the dots. No coding, no headaches. Each order took me less than 2 minutes to process, with a profit of $4.70 per description. By day 10, I was handling 20 orders a day, spending less than an hour on fulfillment, and using the rest of my time to ask customers for feedback and tweak the system. The magic. The whole thing ran itself, even while I slept. Here's where things got fun. I realized I wasn't just selling artificial intelligence-generated text. I was selling business owners their time back. So, I raised my prices to $15 per description and introduced upsells. Catchy product titles, social media captions, bundled packages. I even created a product launch kit for $50, which included descriptions, titles, and email copy. The result? Revenue jumped, and customers started buying bundles instead of singles. The lesson? When you solve a real pain point, people will pay more for convenience and extra value. Don't be afraid to charge what you're worth. Then came the game changer. Multiple customers messaged me, "Can you handle all my product descriptions every month?" That's when I launched a subscription. Unlimited descriptions for $297 a month. I emailed my best customers with a simple offer and 8 signed up immediately. Now, I had predictable, recurring income, plus a constant flow of one-off orders and upsells. By the end of 30 days, my daily revenue crossed $500. This is how you turn a side hustle into a real business. By stacking recurring revenue streams on top of one-off sales. Let's break it down. 8 subscriptions, daily $80, monthly $2,376, 15 one-off orders, daily $225, monthly $6,750. Upsells and bundles, daily $200, monthly $6,000. Total is daily $505 and monthly $15,126. My total monthly costs for all tools? Under $100. That means nearly every dollar earned goes straight into my pocket. And the best part? I work just 2 to 3 hours a day, with most of the heavy lifting handled by automation. Here's exactly what I used. ChatGPT Plus for generating content, Zapier to automate the workflow, Card for the landing page, Stripe for payments, Google Forms to collect orders, Gmail for customer communication. Setup took less than an hour. No coding, no expensive software, no tech headaches. If you can use email and drag and drop tools, you can build this system. Let's talk about the traps I nearly fell into. Don't build before you validate. Get real orders before investing time or money in fancy features or branding. Don't undercharge. AI saves time. Charge for the value you deliver, not just the minutes it takes. Don't try to serve everyone. I focused on product descriptions, became the go-to person, and only expanded once I had proof and demand. Bonus: don't chase perfection. Launch fast, improve as you go. My first site was ugly, but it made money. Here's your 30-day blueprint. Simple, actionable, and proven. Days 1, 2, 3, dive into online communities. Don't just lurk. Search for real complaints. Screenshot every pain point you see. Pick the one you understand best. Days 4 to 7, launch a bare-bones landing page. 1 headline, 3 bullets, a clear call to action. Don't stress about design. Focus on clarity. Share your offer where your audience hangs out. Celebrate your first order no matter how small. Days 8 to 14, deliver every order yourself. Get feedback, tweak your offer, and collect testimonials. The goal: wow your first customers and learn exactly what they value. Days 15 to 21, start automating. Plug in AI tools, set up simple automations, and test higher prices or upsells based on feedback. See what customers are willing to pay more for. Days 22 to 30, launch your subscription model and reach out to micro-influencers or partners. Double down on what's working. Ditch what isn't. By the end of the month, you'll have a repeatable, scalable system. Remember, speed beats perfection. Start imperfect. Learn fast. Improve as you go. Your future self will thank you for starting today. What's the one pain point you'll solve first? Drop it in the comments. I'll reply with tailored advice. Smash like, subscribe, and let's build your own moneyed mind system. No hype, just real results.